Hey everyone, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude, and I'm here with another Jurassic World figure review. Today we'll be taking a look at a really cool box set. It's the Legacy Collection Dennis Nedry Getaway Pack. This was recently released here in Canada for about $44, and then plus tax, that's here in BC, that's like 50 bucks. So it's a crazy price for us Canadians, but I, for one, have to collect them all, so it was worth it for me. Right off the bat, you get a really cool Jeep with the covering on the back. Sadly, it's missing the stripe. There's a lot of things that aren't the best about this set. The Dilophosaurus lacking proper details, like the crest color being completely off, and the body in general just not really being, too lovable. I've heard a lot of collectors say they would have liked the squirting Dilophosaurus in this set, or even the new one with the frill action piece, as they get a lot of retools of this Dilophosaurus. In my opinion, it would have been better just to reuse the Dilophosaurus from the first Legacy Collection lineup. This one came in a box set, so any collectors that weren't able to get this one could have got it in this set, as it is basically bang on. Like, they got it right the first time. I don't know why they had to screw it up the second. You can see the original one has perfect face paint. The colors and the shades are absolutely bang on compared to the one in this set, with this weird green and the brown on the back, and then this like yellow on the frill or crest. Not cool. That one kind of reminds me of the first Dilophosaurus from Fallen Kingdoms lineup. But no, this would have been great to have it retooled in the set. Sadly, we do not get that. We get this kind of sadder version of the Dilophosaurus. Though I've got to admit, the frill paint is a lot more detailed than this one. This one's chunky and bulky in comparison to the nice finer lines on this pattern. So that's pretty nice. We get Dennis in his raincoat, just like he is in his, what is that, Amber Collection figure. Another sad thing we don't get in this set is the Barbasol can, which we get in the exclusive Comic-Con, the San Diego Comic-Con one, which is a really nice scale for it. It would have been super cool to get it in this set, as not every collector was able to pick this one up, and it's quite pricey online, so it's kind of unfortunate that this set doesn't come with that. And another thing we'd expect to find in this set is a in-scale e-stock sign that would have been wicked to have. They could have just fit it in like in the back corner. It's just a little bit of extra plastic, but no. We don't get an in-scale e-stock, we don't get a Barbasol can. Maybe, this is a little bit of a stretch, but maybe they're planning to have those in a separate pack in this scale sometime down the line. Maybe it'll come with a variant of this Nedry, but with the venom on his face. I know that's a little bit much to ask for, but it's always nice to dream. So, yeah, lack of stripe, poor Dilophosaurus, and then lack of key details. Though the one thing that they did include for this set, which I'm extremely surprised about, is the stick of all things. They included the stick that he waved around for the Dilophosaurus, which was a cool detail. That's pretty sick. No can though, no e-stock, but we got the stick, so I'm fine with that. Originally, I was like, where are the mirrors? Where did they go? They're in the package, like down the side. Same with the Dilophosaurus venom. So we'll be taking a look at those when we unbox it. The back is interesting. Let me just readjust my camera. I'll move these guys out the way. So I think, here we go. We got a little scene here, which I like. We got the Dilophosaurus with its frill fully forward and the venom in its mouth. I'm glad that they included the venom. That would have been terrible if they didn't, seeing as they forgot the line on the side of the Jeep. It says that the back part is detachable, there he is with the stick, and that's a great set. It's beautiful. I'm so glad they made this, and it's wicked that they're also releasing the Ford Explorer set as well. Stick included, look at that, and they include this little detail in the back. That is so cute. Yeah, so that's pretty wicked. They could have done better, but I'm glad with what we've got. I'm not glad about the stripe though. That is an important detail they left out, and I have no clue why they would leave that out. I think it was even on like the promo images, and then for some reason, just not at all. Okay, so let's get this out of package. This might be a little bit of a hassle. So we'll clip out the Dilophosaurus first. Oh, and there's the scan code. I always forget scan codes, that's why I do the videos. For you guys who do scan codes. The frill seems to be a different type of plastic than the OG frill. Maybe not. Maybe. Maybe not. So, yeah, the color on the back and the color in general, it's not my favorite. Could have had better face paint as well, but hey, it is what it is. The frill, or the crest, would have been so nice with like a red. Ugh, I guess that's what repainting is for. So there's the venom, and there's the stick. So let's. I don't want to destroy the beautiful packaging on the back. Maybe we'll go through from the bottom though, because there's less glue down there. I guess we're gonna have to. It's one way or the other. We're gonna have to get them out. Okay. Oh, the stick's out. That's a tiny piece. It's interesting. You usually find tiny pieces in like the, like I said, the San Diego Comic-Con exclusives. Because look how small all those are. Because kids are gonna like lose this so easily as a toy. Not that it's a bad detail or anything. It's just they included this and not the can. So there's the stick. Oh, the packaging, no. And then we'll get that little bit out. There we go. It's fine. It's fine. I keep all the packaging. I'm not a weirdo. It's not like I have multiple, I think like 20 garbage bags full of the boxes. Yikes. It takes up so much space. Anyways, so there's the acid, I keep saying acid, the venom in the Dilophosaurus' mouth. Would have been even more interesting if it was black, or a very dark shade. That would have been a nice twist, as there's so many, and I mean so many variants with that little piece. So we'll give Nedry his stick, so we can hold that. There we go. He's got nice details. His coat, you can open that up and you can see his shirt inside. That's pretty neat. You can see he's even got the back little raincoat they can put over top the hood. But no Jurassic Park logo. That would have been nice to have on there. You can see his glasses there are nice small detail. His eyes are fine. I got a good one. He's got joints. His hands don't rotate. I think his waist, his torso rotates. Yep. And his knees bend. He's also got his buckle painted on there. So it's great. It's got all the good details like it should. Except for, you know, the Jurassic Park logo on the back. But I think people have made custom sticker packs for that on Instagram. Yeah. So now let's move on to the Jeep. Oh, now I have to buy, okay, so I'm like, as I'm a completist, I don't like to alter my figures. I know some people like to paint all their nails on their figures and all this stuff, but I really want a stripe on this Jeep, but I don't want to like repaint it or paint it because I like keeping everything original. So I'd have to buy 2 of this set if I wanted to repaint it, but that's $100 for 2 of these. So maybe if they ever go on sale, oh, I took it off, then I'd repaint it. But at the moment, I'm keeping it like this, sadly. So that plastic on the inside for the back windows is all one piece screwed in there. The lights have stickers, which is nice. It looks nice with the back off. That's cool. Okay, so now to get it out, I have to actually mine my way into the packaging and release it from its entrapment. So let's snip that and dig right in like a surgeon. Oh, and they're those things. So you're gonna have to bear with me, guys. I mean, or fast forward, whatever suits you. Oh, this is easy. Okay, never mind. I thought it would be a lot harder. Got it out. Yay. Oh my goodness, and the packaging looks phenomenal in the back. With the waterfall and the tropical plants, the lightning. That is, wow, that is beautiful packaging. They really went above and beyond with that. Holy cow. Okay, so now we're gonna get these out. How? I don't know. Oh, I use my nails. Oh, shoot. Come on. I just gotta get like a little leverage. Oh no, bye-bye packaging. Beautiful packaging. 1, 2. That's fine. It's fine. I can glue it back on or whatever. Okay, so now we got these mirrors and we'll be sticking them in. Guess I should pan it down. Yeah. Gotta run over Nedry. Oh, this is gonna be great for photography. Don't want to put them in backwards, that'd be embarrassing. There we go. And oh wow, they just slot right in. That's so cool. They made it easy to just boop, and they fit in snug, nice and snug. Oh, the whole front dash is glass. It's all that clear plastic. That's so weird. Everything's, all the details are like in clear. Okay. So let's put the hood back on, or not the hood, the back part. I gotta put them in there though. Whew. My table is on an angle, so we're just gonna put it like that. There we go. And there we have it. Man, it would have been so cool if the Dilophosaurus was smaller, or a different version, or a different color altogether. But this is nice. This set and the thought they put into it is really great. Besides the stripe, of course. We need the stripe, bro. So I'd rate it like, if we're ignoring the stripe, it'd be like a 7 or 8 out of 10. Maybe even 9. I might be generous enough to give it a 9, because that is amazing. And it's cool that's not like an exclusive or anything. We'll just swap that guy out. And now it's a lot better. And I'll cover where the stripe is. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And that stick, fantastic detail. Let's see if we can get the can in there. Can make the set better in our own way. There should be, someone out there should make like a special kit where they like reproduce this and sell it for really cheap in bulk so people can like get it easily, because this is just sad that it's only an exclusive piece and not actually something every collector can get their hands on. Like, imagine if we went back to the Legacy Collection human figures. I know Mattel's probably never going to go back to that because apparently they didn't sell that well, so now they've got to put humans in vehicle and dinosaur packs to sell them better. That's why we don't have any vehicles or humans on their own anymore. They're all in packs with dinosaurs because they don't sell as well as the dinosaurs. But if they ever did that again, they could have Nedry, a different variant of him, with this can so collectors could easily get it, because I think this is a really important detail when it comes to photography, when it comes to collecting, when it comes to play, because Jurassic Park, everything that happened is because of this, or supposedly this can's like involved in it. Well, not supposedly, but you know what I mean. This can's very important, and it would be very cool if all collectors could get their hands on it. So maybe, let's see if we can hold it. Not that we're ever gonna get it set exactly like this for this scene again. There we go, he's holding it, kinda. Wow. And now let's put the oversized e-stock sign. There we go, now this set's perfect. Haha, I fixed it. But yeah, jokes aside, very, very nice set for what it is. I'm sure kids won't care that much about the details, but definitely collectors, fans, kids that know more than just the basics would love for the extra mile. But you know, the packaging's phenomenal, the figure is phenomenal, and the vehicle is very nice to finally have a Jeep with that rain roof on, the lights and everything. A very fun set. I'm definitely going to do a comparison to Kenner's Jeep and Dilophosaurus and Nedry, and that's going to be fun. I'm excited for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review as much as I did. It was very fun unboxing it and looking at all the details. So hope everyone can get this set. I know it's out in the States, but I'm not sure what other countries it's out in now. But it's nice to see that if it's coming out in Canada, it should be out in other places, say like the UK and whatnot. I'm not sure if it's on Entertainment Earth or Amazon, but I wouldn't be surprised if it was. So hopefully everyone can get it, because it's such a wonderful and spectacular set, full of details and fun for photography. So again, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'd appreciate it greatly if you leave a like and maybe even a comment. And I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Bye-bye.